Your PlayStation 5 is shutting down randomly. The fan sounds like a jet. And yeah, this thing is getting hot, but here's the truth. Most people are diagnosing this wrong. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to diagnose a PS5 overheating issue step by step. No guessing, no wasting money, just real fixes. First, understand the symptoms. If your PS5 is overheating, you'll notice things like loud fan noise, overheating warnings, or sudden shutdowns. Now here's the key. If it shuts down instantly without warning, that's serious. If it just gets loud, that's usually fixable. Next, airflow. This is where most people mess up. If your PS5 is inside a tight space or pushed against a wall, you're basically trapping heat. Give it space, at least 10 to 15 centimeters around it. This alone can fix the issue. Now let's talk about the real enemy: dust. Pop off the side panels and check inside the fan and vents. If you see dust buildup, that's your problem. Clean it using compressed air or a soft brush, and trust me, this makes a huge difference. Now test it with a heavy game like Call of Duty, Warzone, or Marvel's Spider-Man 2. If it only overheats during gameplay, it's a cooling issue. But if it overheats even in the menu, then you might have a deeper hardware problem. Listen to your fan. If it's loud but spinning, good sign. If it's not spinning properly, that's a hardware fault. If nothing worked, then you're looking at internal issues. Things like thermal paste or heatsink contact. But be careful, this requires opening the console fully. So yeah, before you panic, remember this. Most PS5 overheating problems are just airflow or dust. Fix those first, and you might save your console. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more real tech fixes.